Hello teacher, hello guys. In our group we are Lucas Álvarez, Juan Pablo Bascuñán and Fernando Stroza. And we are going to explain how the brake system works. First, what is the brake system in a car? Well, we can refer to the brake system as any components that participate or are dedicated to stop the motion of the vehicle. It works following the principles of hydraulics, so it has different elements that take part in helping you increase the braking power and put the car to a complete stop. This system is one of the most important systems in a car. It is part of the active security systems, meaning the driver takes control of braking. If it's not working properly, the driver may not be able to stop the car, causing multiple injuries or even death to himself and other people. We can find many problems associated with the brake system and many solutions to this, inconvenience too. So, in order to maintain the security of the passengers and pedestrians, we must always check the condition of the elements that compose it. Now, I'm going to show you pictures of the parts of the brake system. The first one is the brake fluid and deposit. The second are the brake disc. Then we have the master cylinder, brake pads, hydraulic lines, wheel cylinder, and chows and drums, and the calipers. Now I'm going to leave you with Juan, who is going to explain how the brake system works.
Okay, so how does it work? The process of braking and making the car stop is commanded by the driver as he pushes the brake pedal. The force produced in the pedal raises the hydraulic pressure of the fluid in the master cylinder and deposit. This increased pressure flows through the hydraulic lines to the wheel cylinders and calipers, making them to expand, forcing the shoes against the drums and the pads against the brake discs. The resulting friction of these elements against each other slows down the vehicle, getting to a complete stop if needed. The braking force is relative to the amount of force applied by the driver at the brake pedal, and the system multiplies the force while the pedal is being pushed. Now, we have some common problems and failures. First is the leaking fluid. Second is a pulsating brake pedal or steering wheel shake. Third one is car pulling to one side when braking. And the fourth one is an unusual noise when you step on the brake pedal. So, for the first solution, that is leaking fluid, the most accurate solution to a car that's leaking brake fluid is to check all the hydraulic lines and hoses of the system. Also check the cylinders and calipers to see if there's any signs of wear or cuts that may have caused the hydraulic system to leak. Make sure to replace all damaged or worn components in the system. For the second problem, that is pulsating brake pedal or steering wheel shake, the main cause to this problem is usually a difference in the surface of the brake discs due to hard braking and the normal friction that it absorbs. We must check the condition. If there are any components in bad shape, we must redress the surface in order to maintain its functionality, or in some cases, it's necessary to replace the discs. And now, my partner Fernando will explain the other solutions.
Solution number 3. This failure occurs when one brake caliper breaks less than another, meaning there is a difference between each other that causes the vehicle to roll on the side when braking. The solution for this is to check the brake force distribution and make it equal to cylinder or caliper, making sure there is no more anomalies in between the line. The sum of the brake pads can be for various reasons. Maybe it's because there is some gravel in the brake pad, or the cold man. The pad is worn out from use and the scraping with the metal from the rotor. The solution is check the brake pad if there is gravel or change the brake pad it is worn. Recommended maintenance. If you want to keep the condition of the brake system at the highest, you should follow the next maintenance routine. You should constantly check the brake pads of choice. If they are too low, you must replace them. Otherwise, replace the pads every 20,000 kilometers. Always check and refill the level of the brake fluid and deposit. If it has bad smell or color, you should replace the following due the water presence. And finally, make sure there isn't milk leak that may cause the system to fail before taking the car for a ride. Thank you for your attention.